In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online by simply liking a YouTube video. The first thing that you have to do is to go to this website called. Hey, welcome back. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Before I tell you the secret to earning money just by liking or watching YouTube videos, make sure to like and subscribe, because as you already know, it doesn't cost you anything, and you can unsubscribe anytime. So let's get right into it, and please make sure to watch the entire video because I'm going to explain many rules that you have to follow on this website. Otherwise, you won't be able to earn anything. And yes, there might also be some Easter eggs along the way. So the first thing you do is you go over to this website called rapidworkers.com. In this website, they offer easy tasks that can be completed from the comfort of your home. It is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. They have many types of tasks by which you can start earning a lot of money sooner than you can imagine. They have tasks like liking and sharing a YouTube video, and they will pay you 10 cents just for a minute of your time. This website is so easy to use and earn money through. All you have to do is browse through the micro jobs they offer. Select any job you like. Finish the tasks and submit the proof. That's literally it. You just made money which you can withdraw through PayPal or directly to your bank account. Now let's click on Sign Up Now and make an account to earn some money. Fill in these details and choose your country. This website is available in every country. So wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and start earning right now. I hope you are not a robot, otherwise this won't work. Now comes the rules which you must follow very carefully, because they are very strict with it. The rules are, you cannot use VPN or any IP masking software. You cannot create multiple accounts with same IP, and you cannot do the jobs available for other countries. If you don't follow all the rules carefully, your account will get banned and your earnings will be gone. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Now let's click on Create Account. This is where the magic happens. These are the different jobs for different countries. Remember, not to do jobs from other countries. On the left, you can see the types of job, the country for which the job is available for. And on the right, you can see the amount which you will be paid and the approximate time in which you will be able to complete your task. Now let's search for YouTube. As you can see, here is a job where you have to watch a video that is only for the people in the US, and it is paying you 16 cents for 3 minutes of your time. And there are many jobs updated regularly for you to go through, so choose your desired one and start making money. You can even make more than this through this feature. Just click on Most Paying, which will take you here. As you can see here, you can earn $6 for just 15 minutes of your work, which would be $24 an hour. Now let's open a job, and I will teach you how this works. Now, this job is paying me $3.45 just for downloading a PDF book. Let's go ahead and open it. Here it shows me the details of the job, what I have to do, how much money will I make, and how much time will it take. All I need to do is go to this link and download the PDF book. Complete this small task. Send the proof, which is the title of the PDF book and the number of pages that it has. And I have to submit it here and confirm that I followed the instructions and completed the task. And that's all you need to do. Soon, they will verify the details and will release your payment. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.